Hey, good. One move. I get one space. Today on Tip Tuesday, we're going to be discussing what do you do when you have lost and found pieces that you find from past game playing. We're going to talk about that today. Hi, I'm Lorraine Brock, professional organizer and owner of a company called Get Organized. And we go in and organize entire homes and offices, including kids' areas and game closets. Now, I've got a really good idea for you guys today that I've been using for years, and I want to tell you guys about it. There is a section in every game closet that is a must-have. It's called a lost and found section. Now, you can create a container, a shoe box, a shoe container, something that's going to hold any of these lost pieces that, I played bingo like 2 years ago and found the bingo card. And then, this has been like I haven't been able to play a particular game for a while because I can't find the piece, and here it is. So when you get those games out and you're missing items, go to the lost and found section in your game closet and see if it's there. When you clean out those junk drawers, when you vacuum underneath the couch or move the couch because you're moving, you'll often find these and they need to have a home. Make sure the container is properly and very boldly labeled so everybody can see it. Make sure it's not buried in the back of the game closet. Make sure it stays up front so you can easily access it when you find those lost and found pieces. Also, you can do something else. On a game closet, if you have a door, you can use an over-the-door shoe organizer, and it has many see-through pockets. You can even label the pockets with a label. Make sure, again, it's bold. Maybe one or two pockets could be your lost and found sections, and the other pockets can be just for small games. So you have a little bit of organization with the same pockets that are holding the lost and found on the same shoe organizer. And then lastly, I want to share with you a favorite game of mine that was probably responsible for my love of cleaning and organizing as a kid. And if you ever have played this game, make sure you leave a comment down below because we probably could get together and play this game. I love it now, even with my grandkids. But it's called Mother's Helper, and the idea was to see how many chores you could get completed, and by the person who ended the game having most chores completed wins. And that was such a desire to have the most chores done at my young age. But as you can see, this box is getting old. It's wearing, it's tearing. It's about on its last leg, and I need another option. So we're going to leave a link below for you guys that have games just like this in your closet that you can go online and purchase a container that is specifically designed and made for holding games. And hopefully it will fit your game. We've done a lot of research. There's not a lot of options out there, but this one option we found, and we think it will work for you guys for taking place of the old boxes and giving you a new container. Well, I am Lorraine Brock with Get Organized here on Tip Tuesday, helping you get your home, business, and life completely organized.